And this is Exhibit E, dated October 21st, 2022. October 21st, 2022. This is an order of fact finding on disposition and default. Okay? Sorry, order of fact finding and disposition on default. Out of the New York City Family Court at 60 Lafayette Street. It's called an order of fact finding and disposition on default, signed only by Pamela Scheininger, referee. Pamela Scheininger, referee. Again, a referee, not a judge. And here's the fraud. They claim I committed a felony. Well, that's news to me. The following allegations in this petition are supported by preponderance of the evidence. Respondent Tyree Newsom engaged in acts which constitute penal law assaults in the second degree, and that respondent committed acts constituting the family offense. Left blank. And the court further finds aggravating circumstances in that respondent Tyree Newsom Sr. engaged in behaviors and occurrences which the court constitute an immediate and ongoing danger. That's interesting. From Georgia, immediate danger? And the matter having duly come for dispositional hearing, the court having made examination and inquiry into the facts and circumstances of the persons involved, is hereby granted by Pamela Scheininger only. Referee. So she went from court attorney to court attorney referee to just referee. So now, remember, assault in the second degree, that's a felony. Found inside a civil venue, without me present, without a jury, without sworn testimony. Let's expose it. Exhibit A, in November of 2021, is a blank affidavit of service. Exhibit B, in October of 2022, is fake text message service, a false instrument. The blank affidavit of service is no notice. Exhibit C is an unsworn petition, so that's no oath, no jurisdiction, no complaint, no case. So you have no case, you have no service, you have no consent, you have no harm, you have no jurisdiction. Exhibit AAAA is the sham trial by inquest notice. And Exhibit AAB is the void final order of protection issued by Pamela Scheininger after this fact finding of a fact that never occurred. The crimes here: judicial impersonation, official misconduct, a referee acting as a judge, that's New York Penal Law 195. You have fraud upon the court, by officers of the court, by issuing a felony finding in a civil proceeding, a filing of a false instrument, because it's built on Exhibit C's unsworn petition, which is referenced here. Petitioner. There's no petition. A default finding of a felony without a jury or confrontation is a violation of Title 42, 1983. The coordinated fraud across multiple exhibits is a conspiracy against rights, and it's all kidnapping under color of law. They're using a fraudulent felony finding to justify a 5-year, half a decade order of protection against me and my kids, barring us from any contact for 5 years. So you have, again, November 2021, petition filed, it's unsworn. You have October 2022, referee orders, SMS text proving that the court is colluding against me. And October 21st, you have the Sham inquest and the issuance of these orders. The first, the fact finding, the order of protection, and coming up next is the order of custody. And they want all of these to extend until 2027. Yeah, exactly. So the respondent shall, for a period not in excess of 5 years, observe the conditions of behavior specified in the order of protection, entered and annexed, and made as a part of this order. So this false finding right here is used to justify the order of protection. That's a crime committed against me. I never harmed anyone. I never did anything to anyone. Again, I was in Georgia while all of this occurred. I did not receive this by service in real time. I went and got the case file once I became aware of the order of protection by being arrested for violating it. But that's coming up in future episodes as well. We'll get to all of that. But right now, just stay with me. So you have a 5-year order of protection, 5 years, attached to this false fact-finding order of something that never occurred, which was held by hearing by inquest. So all of these are defaults, and I was not aware that any of this was occurring.